Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Mahesh. Myself, architect Kishore Bansali, President-elect and MDR, feel privileged to run this Know Your BOD with the help of an entire team, Ashirwad Samaroh. Ashirwad Samaroh Chairman Rajesh Ji Malani and our team had put a lot of effort and to make the flyers of each BOD, which we will have seen in last 10 days.
Right, thank you. And we were thinking during this time, we were thinking on how to come up with the introduction series and how to connect everyone. And we got this idea of introducing the BODs during the 10 days auspicious Ganesh festival time. This idea was very well received by the lot of members and including the BOD who supported us, all the directors who supported us overwhelmingly. And I would like to thank every one of them.
I thank you to the past presidents and founder presidents to give their inputs and encourage us to make this show happen successfully. Secondly, MPF Waste is the second biggest chapter among 7 chapters. MPF Waste is a vibrant chapter, and I am proud to have the founder member of this chapter. I thank to each and every member for their support. This year, the membership registration accepted through the app, which is 150 plus confirmed registration. Rajesh?
Yeah. Last but not the least, I would entire Ashirwad Samaroh team member worked effortlessly to get this series up and going.
I would like to share a memorable video of BOD 2020-22 after a successful Know Your BOD event during this Ganpati festival.
तरसेंगे सुन ले तेरे बिन तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा देखेंगी तेरी राहें प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा लौट के तुझको आना है सुन ले कहता दीवाना है जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया खुशियों के दिन हो के गम का जमाना दिल बस लेता है नाम तेरा
पहले मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट किशोर बंसाली और टीम आशीर्वाद समारोह का जिन्होंने इस गणेश चतुर्थी के पावन अवसर पर नो योर बीओडी सीरीज चलाई और सभी सदस्यों से डायरेक्टर की पहचान करवाई। मैं आभारी हूं नॉमिनेशन कमेटी का जिन्होंने सभी डायरेक्टर के सिलेक्शन में सहयोग किया। I am honored and humbled to be selected as president of MPF Pune West. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all directors for being part of BOD 2020-22. This tenure is going to be special for each director in terms of challenges and opportunities due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. Actual work started from first day of April 2020 and every director has done a fantastic job by connecting with members and keeping everyone engaged during this pandemic situation. With the help of board of directors, members' help and active participation from everyone, I will do best to make this journey memorable for all. During last several months, I had an opportunity to interact with you all one-to-one on many fronts, be it COVID queries, food donation drives, program support, registration or membership. MPF Pune West is celebrating 5th year this year and vision I have this year is simple. We all will be working on 3 E's. आप सभी ने बर्थडे फ्लायर और एनिवर्सरी फ्लायर में MPF लोगों के नीचे 3 वर्ड्स पढ़े होंगे. What are those 3 words? They are engage, energize, enlighten. In simple words, व्यस्त रहो, मस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो. Engage. The idea is to keep every member engaged throughout the year. Each member is part of minimally one program. Few members are yet to be added to program groups, which will be done in coming few weeks. Members should actively engage 100% in respective programs. Energize, mast raho. To keep every member motivated, and this will come when each one of you participate and attend maximum calendar programs. Enlighten, swasth raho. Give your 100% and accept the others just the way they are and be happy. If everyone focus on these 3 E's, engage, energize and enlighten, then rest of the things like bonding, socializing, connecting and referrals will fall in place. Let me take this opportunity to thank you all past presidents Dinesh Ji Mundra, Manoj Ji Bhattar, Vipul Ji Navandar and Nilesh Ji Dhoot for the successful years they have given during their tenures. With this, I will stop here and thank you again for giving me the opportunity to serve as a president of MPF Pune West. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Mahesh.